Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is what I call one of the best days of the 10 years I've been doing this stuff. Today is November 18th, 2020, 12:55 p.m. Uh, about a week ago, a couple of weeks ago, prior to that, I found by accident you can make a lot of money by doing what I'm doing with this bot, what I'm about to show you. There's two bots actually, and the third bot, or there's two bots, one for Bitcoin and Ethereum for the American market using Kraken, and the other one with Binance. So I purposely slid everything over. So let me show you the good old Binance bot. This is a smaller bot I've been using for a couple of weeks. It trades the smaller coins out there. Launched it a week ago. So here's the performance just from the last week. 41%. Using small little $10 trades or in Tether trades, it's a minimal to make a trade on Binance. A return of 657. And usually it does okay. Now, the big bot, just move everything over. This is the Kraken Futures bot, and let me just verify something here. Yeah, you should be able to see that now. Okay, so these are the returns I tracked. So just for now, what you can see here is the total P. Now this is if you just put one Bitcoin in a week ago and let this thing trade as is. You would have made back $24,000. So you would have made back 1.5 times your capital last Wednesday after the fact of your Bitcoin, which gives you like a 182% return in a week. That's how big and fast moving up the price of Bitcoin is. So just to give you an idea, between the last 2 days, 2 days ago it was 1630, 16,300. Then I went up to 17,000 last night. Woke up to like 24 hours ago it was 17 grand. Woke up today and it went up to 18 grand US. That's Bitcoin. So every time the Bitcoin price moves up, it's gonna leg up, leg down, leg up. This thing will take advantage of the futures market in Bitcoin, in Kraken, on the and I think retail's starting to wake up as well as the institutions. With Kraken, as I said before in one of my videos, in the last few days, I'm starting to see big orders on Kraken with Bitcoin and a little bit with Ethereum as well. So, when you're looking at a P&L, a profit of $8,772 just yesterday, and so for today, $1,960. I mean, you're in excess of $10,000 just from one Bitcoin last week. So here's the rate of return, or the winning ratios of 81%. Yeah, so yesterday you would have gotten 81%. So this thing would pay for itself in spades. Win ratio on Ethereum just yesterday, okay, was 91.66. Bitcoin 92.8. Okay, with a win ratio overall with 92 point. It's that strong momentum in the market. You could throw a rock at it and your price, and you would have made money. That's how good it is. Extreme as it sounds, but that's the way it is. Today it's a little quieter, but still 12%. So I'm on other people's mailing list, and they're bragging about how they made 400% in 10 years with the S&P. Look at this. In a week, you would have made $180, 180% in one day, in 1 week with Bitcoin. Timing is everything, and this was it. This thing was created by accident. So here's the future, what I think. Right now, if you look at this PowerPoint, I'm working on a presentation. I'm not sure how many of these packages and whatnot I'll be able to put out. It's going to be on for till the end of November, for coinciding with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and to really take advantage of it. So what I see happening is Bitcoin's doing amazing right now. Ethereum 2 is coming out first week of December, so that's going to move Ethereum up a lot, as well as Ethereum 2. It will have new projects on, like for the DeFi movement as well in crypto, and that will drive up more prices. Namely, as I said, if you look at the coins independently, like YFI, how it's done. Rune has been a good one. YFII and some other these Aave. But again, the timing has to be right. The performance beats Bitcoin and Ethereum by a long shot when you look at the timing, because I think YFI gave you in a couple of weeks 10-time return. So if you know about it, you'll do well. So we'll leave it at that. As I said, if you want to know more, just go over to quantlabs.net to opt in, to get some free books, as well as the quantlabs.net/questions if you want to participate. So all you gotta do is come to quantlabs.net blog and want to talk to me about trading, just click here. Listen, I think this thing would have paid itself within a day. Like if you started today with one Bitcoin, what you give me, you would have made back a lot of money just in the last couple of weeks or last couple of days. So that's up to you. I do know a lot of people, I don't know why they're maybe not interested in making money or skeptical. You can look it up, go anywhere online. Look at the pricing curve of Bitcoin and US dollar. It's crazy right now. And it's blowing away everything out there that you can invest in, and it's highly liquid, as you can imagine. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, and have a good day.